author of the universe, you see the pain. You know I heard all our days ordained within your plan. No suffering too great or small for you to use to prove your God and bring about your glory in the end. Give me ears to hear the voice that's clear and a heart to trust that you're still near. Give me eyes to see eternal things in the faith that lies through the suffering. Architect of the world, created all and called it good. You've spoken to the chaos of the void, and I believe you'll do the same as your spirit breathes upon my page, coming out of your way in all my life. Give me ears to hear a voice that's clear, hard to trust that you're still near. Give me eyes to see eternal things in the faith that lies through the suffering. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, God, I know you were faithful. You were always near. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, I know you are faithful. You are always near. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, I know you are faithful. You are always near. So give me ears to hear the voice that's clear, the heart to trust that you're still near. Eyes to see eternal things, faith that lies through the suffering. Even in the hurting, you are always working. Even in the failure, God, you will never fail. Even when I can't see the path you set before me, I know you were faithful. You were always near. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of... Wait a second, this wasn't a cover. I wrote the song. I hope you enjoyed the song. If you saw me using some chords in this song that you didn't recognize, that's because I play with advanced guitar chords a lot, and I want to teach you those advanced guitar chords. There's a link down in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some of the chords that I just used in this song, plus a few more that you can start implementing into your own guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.